No matter where you are to begin in your real estate career or where you are in it, we're going to help you get off to a fantastic start. So again, one of the secrets to real estate sales is be careful who you copy. So my partner and I ended up being the top producing team for Century 21 in the whole state of Arizona. And new agents would come to our office and they would always go ask other people for advice. So they would find these people who had big fancy cars and live in $1 million houses, and then they would ask those people for advice, not realizing that those people didn't even make enough money selling real estate to make the payment on one of those cars. They never came and talked to us, and if they had, we'd have given them better advice, of course. So everybody wants to help you succeed when you're new or you're failing in real estate or struggling or not earning your full worth, but be careful who you copy. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed. And I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.